buggy, you will be able to take this with your luggage in the arrival hall. You will need to have your passports ready for inspection by the immigration authorities. And as a reminder, you can smoke outside the terminal building once you have collected your luggage. Please place all blankets and pillows on the seat as you leave, as these are recycled and used on future Thomson Airways flights. Here at Thomson First Choice, we're very interested to hear about your whole holiday experience, from the booking process, resort services, your hotel accommodation, and of course how you rate your Thomson Airways flight. In a few days' time, you may receive a new online questionnaire asking you for your feedback via email. Your feedback is really important and is used internally to monitor performance and trends, so we'd be very grateful if you complete a quick new online questionnaire upon your return home. You'll also be entered into a competition giving you the chance to win £2,500 off your next holiday year. Ladies and gentlemen, once the average has been put in place, we'll be inviting our premium customers to disembark the aeroplane first. On behalf of Captain Tinder and your crew, we hope you've enjoyed your flight today. Have a safe journey home, and thank you for travelling with Thomson Airways. Thank you and good morning.